How to redeem Blooket codes. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can redeem Blooket codes. For this, open up any web browser and head over to blooket.com. Once you're here, you want to log into your account. If you do not have an account, click on the sign up option. Here, you want to enter your username or email ID, then enter your password. Once you enter the correct credentials, you will be logged into your account. Now, Blooket codes offer a fantastic way to enhance your gameplay, from unlocking new features to getting exclusive rewards. The first step in making the most of these codes is knowing where to find them. You can check the official Blooket social media accounts, subscribe to their newsletter, or join their community forums for the latest updates. Once you have the Blooket code, you want to navigate to the Enter Code section, type in your code, hit Enter, and you have activated the special features or rewards linked to that code. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.